are these things? That's the question. What are they? Well, they're a really large enclosed mobility scooter. That's what they are. There are rules on them? No, it doesn't matter if we're talking about Daymac, the Ecolo. There's no rules saying you can or you can't ride these. Now, we'll do another clip on this, but not this one, but a smaller one was approved as a medical device in the court system. So has there been issues with this? Yeah, they definitely are controversial. They're new, they're weird. What the hell are they? They should be on the road. They're supported, they're not supported. You know what? At the end of the day, when someone needs one of these for their life because they've had a stroke or whatever the circumstances are, this changes their life. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So as long as like everything is driven respectfully, they're limited to 30 kilometers an hour. There is a pilot program. There's urban mobility. It's all happening. But yeah, so the question is, what are they? Well, yeah, they're an extra large enclosed mobility scooter, and that's what they are right now. That's what they're deemed. Will things change? Maybe, probably. It really depends on where you live as well. Some communities, these are absolutely welcomed. And then sometimes you just get a bad cop on a bad day. But you do have paperwork that supports it. And so, like I said, we won't tell you, yes, these are 100% legal. We're going to tell you exactly what it is. There's no red, black, and white saying it is or it isn't. Some communities allow golf carts. Some communities allow ATVs on the road. So we always recommend contacting your local municipality and ask them. Right? That's literally how it goes. So that's the facts. We're not going to sell you something and say this is something it's not. I compare this to the horse, like the cars with the horse and buggy. I feel like this is kind of what it is because this is really urban mobility, and that's how I like to classify it, because you don't have to be disabled to drive one of these or get one of these. There's no rules like that. And the fundamental thing about it is that everyone is entitled and has the right to transportation, right? Yeah. So there you go. That's my take on it. Let us know what you think.